So what we doing here? Offering a carload of diamonds, eh? I like it.
It's our best bet of delaying the captain. If he doesn't finish the deal, he's not going anywhere. And we don't want him leaving without a bullet between the eyes.
Bullet? By the time I'm done, you won't be able to tell his face from a squirrel in a wood chipper.
That's sick, mate.
Come on, convoy's still a ways off.
This way.
You need to stall your captain? Then piss off his clients. Today, they're transporting diamonds from his ship. You stop that transport, and he's going nowhere. First, reroute the transport by destroying the bridge ahead. I'll take the boat around so I can keep a lookout, okay?
We got one shot at this.
That is the plan.
Knock him down.
How did those rebel bastards?
Who's shooting?
Fire in the hole!
Reloading.
The train engine lies in our path. We find the missing part, and I will see that it goes.
Reloading! Found something. Ow!
Not bad. Cover me. This is good.
The train won't move a goddamn inch until we get those parts.